Konnichiwa minasan and welcome back to Infinite Languages. Today we are not just learning the months in Japanese, we are also uncovering a little magic from each month in Japan. Let's make it fun, seasonal and super memorable. In Japanese, months are named by simply counting from 1 to 12, followed by the word gatsu, which means month. So January becomes Ichigatsu, literally month 1. January, Ichigatsu.
1月
New Year celebrations fill the air. It's Oshogatsu, Japan's most important holiday, with lucky charms and traditional food like osechirori. February, Nigatsu.
2月
time for snow and sets. Setsubun is celebrated to welcome spring, where people throw beans to drive out evil spirits. Oniwasoto. March, Sangatsu.
3月
Spring is near. Himamatsuri or Girls' Day brings beautiful doll displays and peach blossom vibes. April, Shigatsu.
4月
Shigatsu. Sakura blossoms bloom and school begins. It's a fresh start, both academic and floral. May, Gogatsu.
5月
Gogatsu. Kodomo no Hai or Children's Day is celebrated. You will see colorful craft, steamers and called koinobori flying high. June, Rokugatsu.
6月
Rokugatsu. Rainy season arrives called Suyu. Umbrellas pop open and hydrangeas. Achisai bloom everywhere. July, Shichigatsu.
7月
Shichigatsu. Welcome Tanabata, the star festival. People write wishes on paper strips and hang them on bamboo trees. August, Hachigatsu.
8月
Hachigatsu. Summer fireworks light up the sky. It's also Obon, a time to honor ancestors with lanterns and dances. September, Kugatsu.
9月
Kugatsu. A touch of autumn appears. Tsukimi. The moon viewing festival celebrates the full moon with rice dumplings. October, Jugatsu.
10月
Jugatsu. Autumn leaves start turning red and gold. It's harvest season, perfect for koyo leaf viewing and festivals. November, Juichigatsu.
11月
Juichigatsu. Shichigo-san is celebrated, a special day for kids aged 3, 5 and 7 to visit shrines in kimono. December, Junigatsu.
12月
Junigatsu. Year-end cleaning begins. People prepare for Omisoka, the Japanese New Year's evening with soba noodles and reflection. Perfect. And that's a wrap of your Japanese months. And here is a beautiful recap for the same.
1月 2月 3月 4月 5月 6月 7月 8月 9月 10月 11月 12月
So, how do you find this simple and rich in tradition Japanese months? Isn't it amazing how each month in Japan brings its own charm? Hope you enjoyed this cultural journey. Give us a like, share it with your friends and subscribe for more graceful language learning. Until next time, Matane!